Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I am here with a very unusual review for you. You're wondering how this kit is, maybe for some crafts or for wood burning or that kind of stuff. For me, I actually got it because I wanted a temperature controlled soldering iron, heating gun, whatever you want to call it, so that I could trim my new, I have found myself totally wound up in this 3D printing, and you'll see it always leaves like a little bit of junk, or the edges aren't perfectly smooth. So I did a little research, and apparently these wood burning kits are actually good for like taking the hot pen and just like smoothing out the edges or cutting off a little piece that you need to trim off. So I thought I would get this, do a little review, try to speak to what's inside of it outside of what I'm looking for, in addition to what I'm looking for. Then I will give it a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of it. This is not sponsored. I bought this for myself, for my own little hobby, so you're going to get the real answer from me. Let me tell you what their ad says this is good for. Okay, it's a 75-piece wood burning kit, wood burning tool with an LCD display so you can adjust the temperature. It's good for soldering, embossing, carving. Comes with soldering tips and a carrying case. Looks like it comes with a whole bunch of other stuff. So let's take a look at it. Comes with like a little bit of wood to practice on. Comes with a variety of tips. One of them actually looks like a cutting tip, the kind of thing that I'm looking for. Whoa, here we go. We got another selection of wood burning tips. Let's see if one looks like... Yeah, there are a couple scary ones that look to me like they would do what I want to do. Pencils for crafts. Oh, it comes with some cute stencils also. These are all nice things. But let's see if it'll melt my plastic. So I will say, I don't know if you can see it, the digital readout is nice and clear. You can adjust the temperature up and down. It's smoking, you can see it's heating up. I'm going to try using one of the wood tips. I don't think I need a lot of temperature to do this, so I'm going to lower it down. I don't want to burn anything. Whoa, this thing does work. Hold on a sec here, let's see. Definitely good for like melting and cleaning up the edge. Kind of need to work on my personal technique a little bit. I gotta say, it's working pretty well. I'm really happy with this. Hooked up, got up to 200 degrees really quickly. Let's see how long it takes to go up 50 degrees. Ready? Let's see if it heats up before I can do my conclusion. So I'm going to say it worked perfectly, worked easily. There were a ton of fittings for it, even though I didn't need like the pans and the stencils and that kind of stuff. Look at that, it's $250 already. One sentence, that's pretty darn cool. Yeah, and absolutely worked the way I expected it to, so I'm going to have to say I'm thrilled with this. I'm going to give it a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This thing is cool. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.